everybody, welcome back to Toxic Twins, the only show that produces mediocre content and the only one that admits it. Today we are going to be playing Sort the Court. I've seen this game a lot on YouTube, floating around, and I thought it looked really fun, so I thought I'd give it a try. The code, you can see all the people down here. So we're just going to hit new game, and I'm a king. I look beautiful. I look beautiful! I have 100 people already. Wow. So we're going to be trying to be a very good king. My lord. No, I have to do voices. My lord, I shall help you rule this kingdom, but you have to make tough choices. Just say yes or no. Understand? No, I do not. Very funny. Just give people their answers, okay? You got it. Our city is still very small right now, but it certainly has the potential to grow. Perhaps one day we will have a bustling metropolis, and you'll be invited to join the Council of Crowns. What's that? For now, all you need to concern yourself with is keeping our citizens happy and growing our population. You got it. Do your best, sir. Sure. Ooh. Nearby town. Is that to form alliance with them? We could use this beat up our ranks. Heck yes. Hit Y. 15. Alright. So, bye, military general. What happened to your eye? You okay? Hello, little Fang. Care to gaze into my magical vampire crystal? Sweet! Oh, hello, you're an assassin. Want me to steal from the rich and give to you? Not just the rich, I'll steal from whoever, basically. No! Jerk. Picking the high road, huh? I'll see you around. No, you don't. Guards? Do you have guards? Chester. I accidentally hit some folks out front. Can I just pay you back with gold? Do you have to, like, puke the gold up? Just... Okay, here you go. Have a nice day. Sure, Chester. Oh, you ate 5 people. Bye. This is good. My people are happy, and 2 more people came in the night. This is my king. Ooh, hello, Winston. Hey, you think you can tell people to stop calling me Slimeball? It's hurting my feelings. I can do. Thanks, boss. You know what, I'll probably do another episode on this where I just be a huge jerk. Oh, hello, Sam. Georgie. Hi, Georgie. Hey, bud, care to flip a coin with me? Heads, I give you a bunch of gold. Tails, I take a bunch of your people's souls. Why the heck not? Dang it! Go away, out of my sight. Don't ever come back. Villagers complain about garbage in the streets, so we hire workers to clean it up. Why not? What does that do? 50 gold, 2 happiness. Villagers know this. Well, thank you, Shirley. I bet they will. So, you feeling spooky today? Yeah, sure. No! Let the blood flow. No! No! I changed my mind. I'm not feeling spooky. I got a friend from which school looking to move into town. Could I give him a couple of gold to move around? Like 2-ish? 3-ish? Yep. Alright. Thanks. By which... That's bad, but people are happy, so... Hey, who am I? Oh, hello. Ba-dum, boosh. Yeah, you get my rhythm, bruh? Yeah. Yeah. I'm in the groove. You stay there, my friend. I love your haircut. Oh, hello. Your glasses and book! There's a mouse. Should we chase it away? No, he's a member here. Yay, it seems happy. He lives in this town, so... God, oh, you're back. The spirits are appeased now, but perhaps we should grant them an offering of gold. Why not? No, hold on. I know the spirit world always appreciates gold, and it might prevent them from haunting us in the future. What do you say? 200 gold would make a difference, right? Sure, we don't want ghosts in our town. My pile's getting low. Be a bit... Alright. Oh, hello. Monsieur Esprit. You got this a castle? Yes, I do. Now get out of my sight. Indeed it is. Trick question. Oh. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. You! No! Out of my sight, Georgie! You scam me that? I bet that's a trick quarter. Whatever the heck you're using. I bet it's a trick penny, dime, nickel, or quarter. Another offering? You came last night. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'd like to build... Ooh, Mason. Hello. I'd like to build a new granary. This could help expand our population. But it'll cost a bit. No, sorry. Budget's a bit tight. Sorry. Oh, hello. My lord, I wish to embark on a treacherous quest. You do you, buddy. For the kingdom, I shall return to you, my lord. Bring back something nice. Please. My liege, there's a man in the foyer asking to join your guard. He's got an eye patch. He looks a little shifty. And what is wrong with having an eye patch? Our general has an eye patch. You're being biased. Butler, I'd ought to fire you. Yes, hirings right away. Biased. You're on thin ice. The spirit... Another one! Are these... What are these spirits? And why are they so greedy? No! They're so greedy! Spirits! All they want is money. Get out of my sight! I'm the only smart one here. Cutlery through the night. Sweet! Ah, you're back. My lord, a man wishes to sell us dispute that says he's way cool, but his friend says he's not. Do you think he's cool? You'll have to meet him in person. Is it you? Because you're not cool. If it's you, you're not cool. Ah, Monsieur Esprit. You got this castle? I just answered this. Yes, I do. Indeed it is. The question. Get out of my face. Bye. You. I'm desperate. You're lucky I'm freaking desperate. Ha ha! Get out of my sight. The builders wish to construct more houses in the town. They request gold, which then make them build. Esther, how much? 100. Might I get a cup of tea for you, my liege? I mean, I prefer soda, but sure. 3 coins plus 3 happiness. Ah, yes, this is very good. The city is a bridge. It's like, hello, pancake! Ew, this cat seems slightly magical. Not sure who wants, though. Yes! This is a perfectly logical, yes. Perfectly logical explanation. Sweet. Hello? I'm little Timmy. Nice to meet you. You like ice cream? Oh yeah, who doesn't? Who doesn't? If you don't like ice cream, or you're allergic to dairy, I'm sorry. Ah, you're back. We've captured some foes on the battlefield. Shall we bring them home and put them to work? Yeah, sure. We'll get them into town then. Alright. So we have 130 residents. I'd like to build a new granary. This could help expand our population, but it'll cost a bit. Yeah, sure. Also, what's a granary? I don't know. So, hello. The all-seeing eye. It's just staring at me. Does it want something? Maybe? What the heck, man? We're just an eye. You're pretty jerky. Jerk. 100 on my gold. Someone wants to pat his belly. You know what? You get your belly pat as much as you frickin' want, Boots. My boat's too tiny to catch many fish. Can I have some gold to upgrade it? I'll pay you back, I swear. Okay, but this is the last loan I'm handing. Dear God, 100 gold. Pay me back, please. Oh, hello! I've got a business proposition for you in your tiny little town. Are you interested? First off, our town ain't that tiny. It's mediocre sized. And they admit it. Second of all, what is it? Sure. No? Bye, Sultan. I like your bird. And your chains. You will bring me the deal too. Bye, I guess. Oh, hello! The wizard! I like your staff. Can I have it, please? I thought I might try and give you... You might like some magic. Anything could happen. Care to give it a try? Sure. Gandalf! Is that his name, Gandalf? You piece of... Everyone's trying to screw me over. You're back. Some families have moved into the new houses we built. Should we send them along? I would love to, but I can't. Oh no. I'm sorry. Tell them I'm sorry then, at least. I only have 74 gold. That is bad. People are happy though, I guess. Oh, hello. I think it's here to pay a visit. Shall we leave it be? No, capture it. Whoa, this thing is... Whoa, this thing is... Did it just kill a man? Did this thing... Whack it up! Get it, butcher it! I want some chicken! Monsieur le Spirit, you are back! You got this at castle? This is the third time you've asked this. Indeed it is. Trick question. Oh, get out of my face. Oh, hello, little thing. Hello, friend. Sure. Peace! All the magicians are trying to screw me over today. All the magicians are... You. Absolutely. Yes. Thank you, Georgie. I guess it's not a trick quarter. Okay. Oh, hello. Bonjour. My name is Madame Ebony. Sure, whatever. And I've come to join your court. Will you have me? Someone like you, we need you. Can I have that lollipop? Unless you already licked it, then. Can you get... God say someone was eaten by an enchanted treasure chest. Some right in the middle of the night. Was this treasure chest named Chester? I believe he recently paid me with gold because he ate 5 people. Oh no, people are sad. I need people's happiness up. Oh, hi, Timmy. If I want to come over to play, sure, why the frick not? Thank ya. Bye, Timmy. I need people to be happy. Ooh, hello. Ooh, my borrow some gold for some new juggling balls? Yes. Does it make you happy? Then sure. Oh, very good. Voices. Oh, hello, Butter. That man you hired earlier has gone missing, sire. Shall we send a search party? Yes. Highest. Toss 10 coins to find a man. You're back. A caravan of mine wishes to camp in your city for the next few days. Might that be arranged? What about that business opportunity? Get out of my face. Everyone in my kingdom's a dummy. Feeling spooky today? No, I am not. Leave. Get out of my face. The workers that we've captured and recruited has sped up business processes, resulting in more tax income. Sweet! The Sultan's caravan resting in town. Our citizens have been trading with them, producing a small amount of tax income. Awesome! People are still sad! Oh dear God! Ooh! Give me your gold or I'll eat your people. Townspeople, just... Whoa! How do you even fit in here? Why am I looking up? He's not... Just... I like your toes, your claw thing. Oh dear God. I'm in debt! From a dragon! No, you cannot eat people. I'm in debt from a dragon. I guess raise the taxes. Oh, thank God. -10 happiness. -4 people left because we raised taxes a bit. Oh, you. No. What? What? All-seeing eye. I might stab you. In the eye. What do you want? No, you can't give them gold. I don't have enough. How greedy are these spirits? Oh, I said yes on accident. God. I'm in debt again. I have -11 gold. Oh, thank God. 13 people have left. I have $4. Yeah, sure, they can come. How many friends do you freaking have? Take care. You're welcome, Timmy. Hello. Boots, can I have some... I can't, Boots. I'm sorry. I have $6. $6! He offering me something? Let's hope he is. Okay. I need a massive amount of coin. Should we allow it? Yeah, sure. They can come into the houses. My lord, I have returned. I have shaved it. Nothing! No, you won't show yourself to the dungeons. Just go. Get on my face. Oh, everyone is making me dirt poor. People are still sad. Hello. Is there some workers? Sure. 3 people. They're leaving anyways. Hot. Ooh, so 9 of his friends, the man with the eye patch. Bye, Iest. That's your new name. Your Mistress of Foot? No. Sorry. Bye, Skelly. Do you know the secrets of the universe? Yeah, I thought so. Bam pineapples? Yes, I hate them. I'm sorry, but I do. Okay. Rich, I'm sorry. But I'm desperate. -5 happiness. You only gave me 50 coins. You suck. I need my money back from the dragon. People are so unhappy. Oh, another one, huh? What about the previous one you gave me? Sure, why not? You haven't even brought me the details of the first. Citizens have said a monkey has been running around putting stuff at that. Should we put a bounty on it? Will that cost money? Because then no. I'm low on happiness and I'm low on money. Lord, I wish I brought it. You better bring something back. You better return with something. There's a bunch of goblins in the... how much? 10. Alright. Slam. High boots. Yeah, sure, I'll pay your belly. I'm a terrible king. Gossip is spreading around a herd purple witch slaying goblins in the local something with a folk hero. That's awesome. But what about me? I'm the king. I'm the one who took people are sad. My city is growing smaller. Oh, hello. You haven't been talking to Skelly, have you? I mean, who's asking? No, wait, that's the wrong thing. Why do you want to know? I'm gonna talk, eh? Oh no, I have not. I talked to him a little bit. Why do you want to know Skelly? Oh, hello. Hello, Monsieur Moten. Hello, sir. Are you looking for experienced valuables in your court? Yes, we are. Please come. We would love you to join us. Bye. You. Have you seen my magical cat pancake? Once. Once. Oh, you. Hey, pal. You've been a real great sport. I just wanted to give you this. No strings attached. Really. Okay. Do you like a fresh cut? Leave charge. Yes, please. Of course. Of course you do. You look dashing. Like exactly the same. Rip off. The crap is still shrinking. Oh my god, let me check something. Alright. Let me just... Okay. I am the Duke of Spook. Do you want a spooky nickname? I do indeed. What do you got? Gonna be the Creep King? Do you say that to... Do you say the same thing for the Queen except the Creep Queen? I bet he does. An angry pineapple trainer has denounced your rule. Shall we have you arrested? Yes. Because I think pineapples don't kill me. I think they suck. Who's next? Oh, you. It just seems sad. So you made 2 people unhappy? Why? You. Do you find me humorous? I haven't even heard a joke, but sure. Haha, yeah, it's a good one, right? It's running wild. Should we try and capture it? You killed a man last time, so how about no? Kinda cute. Maybe we should just leave it be. Okay. Why the heck not? One person has left. Another person just left. This is very bad. Oh, hello! Adorable. I would like some money, please. I'm sorry. No. Dang it. Fine then. I shall return another day. Oh, hello. I'm Mulder. You want to know the truth about everything, and you're going to let have me. No. Not ready for the truth. That's what it is. No. Oh. Are you the one who ate the guy last night? Did you ever see a treasure chest to your 5 clue? Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. No, I don't. Well, you're not gonna. Piece of... Out of my sight. Get out. You're back! Boom, boom, ba boom, dum dum. I am really getting into it, are you? Sure. That's what I thought. So into it. The villages are trying to live unless we pay them. Make them believe. Just make them get. Honestly, don't give a crap. People are happy, thank God. Villagers are coming. Oh, you're back. Yes. Yes. Thank you. You are back. Hey, how about this? Give me 200 gold. I'll provide a large shipment of luxury goods. I don't have 200 gold, so no. You still haven't given me the details of your 2. Seems happy. Thank you. You're back. Want me to do a drum roll? Sure. Alright, here we go. Yes. Yeah, I knew you'd like it. I knew you'd like it. I actually hated it. I had to do the drum roll myself. Ah! Can I have a coin? A gold coin? A gold coin? A goat coin? It's a goat coin. They're very rare, for sure. Ah! Thank ya! Thank ya! I'm gonna share it with your friends. Your friends. That's what he says. Pancake! Does this mean we're friends now? I hope we are. Come here. Yay! Pancake! You. Another one? Yes, just give me the details now, please. Oh, Mozart, it's Billit. Good sir, do you regard any hunting services? The small price will scare some people, will you? Sure. Wait, no! Did you kill a man? Or did he leave? Why do you want to scare people anyway? Oh well, I'll do it. I should have done that. Cannot trouble you. Oh, it's Mason. What was my voice? Was it like... He was... Could I trouble you for a sandwich? Sandwich. Surely the cost of one sandwich is nothing to a great king like you. It depends. How old are you? You look a bit bigger than Timmy. The one with all the friends. The one that asked me for the goat coin. You look 5. Sure. Bye, Mason. Oh, dear God. What are you? Yes, hello. One of your fishermen has been bothering me. I demand the villager as, the sacrifice. Yes, that. No! Oh, you've angered me now, sir. Watch your back. Let me check something real quick. Alright, so he's going to be our last member to visit me today. We hopefully shall do another one of these. But currently I sit at 144 members. Every single one of them are happy, and $177 for coins or goat coins. A few of them are goat coins probably. But anyways, so comment down below what you want to see next. Please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for 21 subscribers, I think, so far. I didn't think we get even this far. Just thank you. So just make sure to hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And be sure to like, and I will see you all later.